Hello, my name's Andrew. I'm here at Anglia Ruskin University. I'm going to explain why skulls are both interesting and potentially useful. A skull can tell you how big an animal is. If you think about your skull, your spine is about 4 times as long. So to work out how big this animal is, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put the skull on. That means the animal was about this size. So thinking about the kinds of animals that are that big, that might lead us to think that this is about tiger size. If we then open it up and have a look at the teeth that it has, we can see that it's carnivore from its dentition, and that indeed fits, so we can get from the skull to the animal fairly quickly.